Hello friends, we are going to discuss iteration or looping statements in Python. Looping statement allow the set of instructions to be performed repeatedly. The iteration statements are called loops or looping statements. Python provides two kinds of loop, that is for loop and while loop, to represent the two categories of loop. We are having a two categories of loop in Python. One is counting loop, the loop repeated certain number of times. For example, for loop is an example. You have a problem, you know very clearly how many times the loop will get repeated, then you can use the for loop. For example, when you want to print a number from 1 to 10, the loop should repeat it 10 times. In this case, you can use the for loop. Conditional loops, the loop that repeats until certain things happen. It keeps repeating as long as some condition is true. In this case, you can use the while loop. For example, you want to calculate the sum of the digits of the given number. So in this case, if we have a 3-digit number, the loop should get repeated 3 times. If we have a 5-digit number, loop should get repeated for the 5 times. In this case, we can use the while loop. So in this video, we have discussed about the what is looping and the categories of the loop, and for loop and while loop are the two loops which is allowed in Python. So we are going to discuss about these loop statement in detail with an example in the forthcoming videos. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.